Hi everyone, sorry for the delay. I'm sure everyone is anxious on hearing how to enter for the MAKER3 giveaway for August 2023. This MAKER3 is sponsored by Cricut. It will be ordered directly from Cricut or by Cricut. Um, and exclusions do apply. The giveaway will close on August 26th, so the winner will be announced. The winner will have 48 hours to claim their prize, and if they don't, it goes to the next in line who gets 24 hours to claim the prize. The exclusion is this is only eligible for Canadians unless you're a mod or an admin on my team who's helping. So that's one of the perks of being a mod or admin. So if you are in the US, you are qualified to enter this giveaway. So you just have to follow the rules just like all the other members. The other thing is the other exclusion is Quebec is not qualified to enter due to Quebec laws and regulations. But if your name comes up and you are a Quebec resident, um, I will um, have a shopping spree with you in Cricut.com. I will be ordering um, some things with you. Like, you could tell me what your preference is, and I will order something up to $100 um, for you. So you could join this giveaway. Um, Please note that I do have an affiliated link. So if you shop directly with Cricut, please consider using my link. The current code for August 2023 through the end of the year is gift for you for an additional 10% discount. This excludes mystery box, electronics, or the Cricut exclusive section. So thank you for using my link if you do. Also, you don't have to like my channel, but if you do, I appreciate it. Um, One of the reasons why I am using a video format to do this giveaway is that um, it seems like not a lot of people have a chance to craft because it is summertime. So I want it to be exclusive so everyone can enter. The other thing is that when I wrote written instructions, not only did I have mistakes myself, but members didn't follow all the instructions. And to be fair to the members that did do all the instructions or the tasks, we had to disqualify someone. So something as simple as what is your Facebook name on the Google form, if you put my name or put a number or put something that wasn't answering the questions, you were disqualified. So that's really sad in a way, because it was a great prize and you did the work, and I don't like to disqualify people, but I had to. Um, so just make sure you follow the rules. And due to an increase of entries, I will no longer validate if someone did all the tasks and got everything checked off because that's a lot of work. Um, Admins and mods are volunteers. We all hold day jobs as well. We definitely do this for fun. Majority of the time. Sometimes we do question if we should stop doing it for fun because we do get yelled at by members and others who have left before too, because they didn't feel like we were responding fast enough, or if they weren't getting the answers they want, or they felt muted or silent. But I mean, we have rules to keep peace in our group. Um, we do have rules that people can read under the feature tab, or they have to agree before they join our group. Um, so, just a general housekeeping that I should re-mention is our group rule is to be kind, be positive, drama-free, There's no political or religious posts. If you make something that's religious but positive, you could post it, but admin and mods reserve the right to turn off the comments if it starts going south. Also, there's no self promotion. So that's different from if someone asks where to get something and vendors decide to respond with a link, that's fine. If members respond to another member's post with a link on where to find something, that's fine as well. But promotions are reserved for mods and admins. Yeah, so just remember to be respectful of one another, and that includes being respectful to the mod and admin team because we really don't have to do this. But who needs drama when the day is stressful enough in real life? There will be extra entries. Again, this one is particularly to be inclusive for everyone who are injured, who doesn't have a machine, who is spending more time with family during the summer, to be able to just get an entry in for a chance to win something. But there will be other entries from now until the close date, so you could earn extra entries to increase your chance, which would involve creating with Design Space and your Cricut machines or Cricut materials. So I did throw in a question in there with what is the secret word. The secret word is tofu, my dog's name, which is TOFU. So make sure you um, get that in there. Again, I just need to reiterate that the announced winner has 48 hours to claim their prize. If they don't, next in line has 24 hours. The close date is mentioned in the form. Make sure you fill out the form. Um, I forgot if I already mentioned it, but one of the reasons why I'm creating a YouTube video is because I made mistakes when I created the post, which some of you guys have caught, obviously. And the other thing is, I'm just trying to get better at public speaking and getting better at connecting with you guys and also saying what the rules are. So I'm hoping this doesn't confuse anyone. I'm going to actually put in a feedback box so you guys could just put feedback in there and what you guys think, how I can do better. Um, be Try to be nice, I guess. I can take it. I have thick skin, but yeah, I'll probably read it on a day after the giveaway to see what your feedbacks are, if there's any. But I hope you guys have fun. Good luck. And again, this is just for Canadians only, unless you're on my mod or admin team and live in the US. So good luck. Have fun. Okay, and I'm sorry it was late. Good night. Bye.